And it's Steve from EstateMax with you once again for yet another EstateMax preview video of an upcoming estate sale. This one is a 4-day special in Monrovia, Maryland. The address will be published just before the sale on Wednesday. It's a 4-day sale, so the sale address comes up Wednesday. Everything you see in this video is for sale, including a lot of Civil War items. We've got some long guns here. We have some archery here. We have some kids' toy guns here. It's a very unique sale. There's a lot of stuff. It's a big house. It's going to be a really good video. Check it out. You may have to see it more than once. Again, the sale will be announced on estatesales.net and on EstateMax page on Facebook the day before the sale. The sale will be October 17th, 18th, and 19th. How about that crossbow? That's a neat crossbow. We have some shotgun ammunition and 10 gauge, 12 gauge, and 20 gauge, I think. Everything you see in this video is for sale. A few knives there. We're going to cut through from the front of the house to the formal living room and wait till we get to the garage and the basement. We even have a boat. There's some nice costume jewelry. Some great art. Those are original Lionel Barrymore paintings down there. Over here you have some of my favorite stereo equipment, from an old Magnavox piece to original Bose 901 Series 4 loudspeakers. We have a pair in great condition, some Sony audio, some records and CDs. Yep, those are Bose 901 Series 4s in perfect condition. We'll try to walk through there again. Pretty couch. A lot of souvenirs from world travels, knickknacks and collectibles. House is really loaded. Kind of hard to take it all in, but everything you see in this video is for sale. Again, Monrovia, Maryland. If you're on Interstate 70 east of Frederick, you just take 27 South, and it's pretty much at the intersection of 27 South, right on 70. Easy to get to. It's a pretty drive. Tons of reasons to come. Here's the kitchen. Pretty oak table. There's a couple of antique pieces there. Oh, pay no attention to those bottles. Books and cookbooks. Again, we're swinging around the kitchen. We'll end up in the garage. Then we'll go downstairs, then upstairs. Obviously, we're in the kitchen. We have a multitude of kitchen things. We have lots of decorative decor items and things just in time for Thanksgiving and Christmas. You want to definitely decorate your house with some of the interesting things we have, which are seasonal items, many of them, just in time to give you a festive feel, just in time for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Some nice china over there. Take another walk through this way. This even includes a Winchester Model 94 30-30 lever action. Also includes a .22 caliber Winchester gallery gun. Both very hard to find pieces. You can even find duck calls and ducks. Oh, let's go horizontal again. I want to see that piece again. Coming into the office, we have hard drives, we have disk drives, we have cameras and camera equipment, more books, more cameras, more file cabinets, two really nice printers, both HPs. You can see that one a little bit. That's an HP printer and an all-in-one HP computer. That's a very nice all-in-one computer. Let's walk into the garage. We're also going to hold a drawing. We're going to take your email addresses for marketing purposes, and we're going to hold a drawing, and the winner will get a $50 credit to an upcoming EstateMax estate sale. So be sure to register at our drawing while you're at the sale. Yep, this is a tracker, 18-foot with a Mercury outboard motor. Comes with the trailer, comes with a trolling motor. It's a 2010 tracker Tournament V18. So obviously we're in the garage. We've got the slick fold-up ladder. Lots of hand tools and other tools. Lawn and garden. Oh, there's some up high. And if you love to fish, boy, do we have a treat for you. See these fishing rods? There's a bunch of fishing rods here. All different quality ranges, but they're all $15 each. So just pick a reel that you like and a rod that you like. $15 each at this sale. And we walk around the tracker, we'll find some other stuff. There's more rods and reels down there. Look at that. Bunches of them. Another shot of the tracker. Really nice trolling motor. Now, if you see these plastic boxes over there, they're loaded with fishing gear, fishing lures, hooks, sinkers, worms, all kinds of stuff. It's going to be make us an offer. Most of the garage will be a make us an offer zone. So it'll be a lot of fun. Bring a big bag in a box. Next, we're heading upstairs. Now we're upstairs. There's a pretty antique wall cabinet there. Walking into the master bedroom. Things are a bit jumbled, but it's a very nice bed set, headboard. You get the mattress for free if you buy the headboard. Nice cedar chests, dresser drawers, linens. That's a nice piece. This second bedroom upstairs has its own library. There's a lot of stuff at this sale. A lot of interesting stuff. It's a real picker's sale. And it's loaded. You know, we've got lots of apparel too, men's and women's. Nice little desk. Kind of a sitting room. In the third bedroom, tables, lamps, linens, a crib, an antique dresser, quilt rack and a quilt, lots more apparel. Okay, we've made it down to the basement. This place is packed with all kinds of things. The lady of the house was a school teacher, and she never threw anything away, including all the stuff for teaching her lessons. Also, we have lots of Christmas of various vintages here. Everything in this video is for sale. Again, we're in the basement in Monrovia, Maryland. Look at this stuff. There are food supplies for emergencies down here, so you can buy from their emergency food kit. Oh, there's more bottles. Luggage, doll houses, lots of kids' toys. Costumes for kids to have costume parties down here. That's what that's for. So much stuff here, we haven't even been through all of it. Nice wreath. Nice chair. So again, a couple last reminders. This is Steve from EstateMax. Our sale is in Monrovia, Maryland. Address to be announced on estatesales.net and our EstateMax page on Facebook. It'll be announced on the 16th, which is the day before a 4-day sale. It'll be a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, we're going to hold a raffle. Winner of the raffle will get a $50 gift certificate from EstateMax to be used at a future sale. And again, a word on the firearms. You'll be bidding on the firearms if you are interested. Nobody will be taking with. Make sure you know that they have to be legally transferred. There's a process for that. But once we determine who actually owns them through a bidding process, and we'll probably have a buy it now price too, we'll be contacting people Monday and Tuesday to tell you who won and what we're going to do to process you through a certified gun dealer. And of course, a state police form. So again, Steve from EstateMax saying we'll see you on Thursday the 17th in Monrovia, Maryland.